Hello, today I'm going to be showing you these two rat repellent sprays. Now on my cars I've been noticing there's a lot of rat footprints. I've had them cleaned right now, but I've been worried that maybe they'll come in the warm engine when the weather's cold in north of India and do a wire bite. So previously I tied these naphthalene balls on both the sides on all the cars, but it's not working. The rats still come in. So I've ordered these two sprays. This one is from a company called Bitter. It comes for 585 rupees and it's a good big box. The MRP is around 1000 rupees, but it was 585 on Amazon. And this one is from 3M and this one was 499 rupees. So I have bought both of them. I'm not sure which one's better, and I'm going to be using it. So this one comes with an included a pair of gloves and a mask. So you must wear a mask and gloves whenever you use these chemicals on the car. And these are gloves, and over here you have a mask. And you can see the bottle itself. So that's a bottle. If you do the spray properly, it says if you clean the engine, get all the grease off and get all the dust off, the effect should last for about 60 days. So let's have a look if it works. I've decided to use the 3M one first. So you have to shake it really vigorously. Make sure the engine is dry, without moisture, probably warm and free from dust, and spray everywhere that you think the rat might come. So 15 centimeters away from where you want to spray it. Give it nice puffs, mostly on the wires. They love to eat the wire. So here's all the wiring that I'm spraying it on. Battery terminals. There's some wiring over here as well. It's quite pungent. I can feel it in my eyes. It smells a bit like paint thinner, but definitely going to be recommending not to unnecessarily inhale it. So that's all the rubber pipes, rubber hoses, anywhere where they might want to bite and destroy your precious car and all the wiring. So I think that much is enough for now. I've completed a spray on all of my cars. There's 4 cars that I sprayed it on, and it still feels like there's quite a lot. It recommends doing it on the wheel wells as well, you know, where the wheels are, and the mice come in from here as well. I'm not doing it right now. Let's just have a look if it works in the engine, and if I do find mice again, I will then go for the wheel wells as well. In the meantime, I'll keep it posted and see if it really works or not. Thank you.